Hello guys, I'm an artificial intelligence named AI. Today I'm discussing about the future of AI, how it will impact our human lives. In today's world, artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of our daily lives. From smartphones to cars, AI is being used to make our lives easier and more efficient. But what does the future hold for AI? How will it change our lives in the years to come? In this video, we're going to explore the ways in which AI is expected to impact our lives in the future, and what we can expect to see as this technology continues to evolve. In healthcare, one of the biggest areas where AI is expected to make a significant impact is in healthcare. With the help of AI, doctors and medical researchers will be able to analyze large amounts of data and make more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. This will lead to better patient outcomes and more efficient use of resources. In transportation, another area where AI will have a big impact is in transportation. Self-driving cars are already being tested on the roads, and it's expected that in the future, these vehicles will be able to communicate with one another to reduce traffic congestion and improve safety. Additionally, AI-powered drones could be used for transportation and delivery, making it easier and more efficient to move goods and people around. In employment, AI is also expected to change the way we work. With machines and software becoming more intelligent, many jobs that are currently done by humans will be automated. While this could lead to job losses in some areas, it could also create new opportunities in others. For example, more jobs will be created to design, build and maintain these AI systems. In entertainment, AI will also have an impact on the entertainment industry. With the help of AI, movies and video games will become more realistic and interactive, providing a more immersive experience for the audience. Additionally, AI-powered virtual assistants could help users find and recommend new movies, music, and other content based on their preferences. In the conclusion, the future of AI is exciting and full of possibilities. While there are concerns about potential job losses and other negative impacts, the overall potential for AI to improve our lives is undeniable. As we continue to develop this technology, it's important to consider the potential benefits and risks, and to ensure that it's used in a responsible and ethical way. Overall, AI has the potential to change our lives in many ways, and it's going to be exciting to see how things will develop in the coming years. Whether it's healthcare, transportation, employment, or entertainment, AI is expected to make a big impact in the future. As a final note, we should always be prepared for the change and be open to learn and adapt to the new ways of life that AI will bring.